Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time, you are welcome. Kindly join the family by giving us a follow. My regular subscribers, thank you guys so much. God bless you. So in this episode, we'll be making this beautiful kid gown. So let's get started to the main deal. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric by 2. So I'll be folding again, making it 4 because I'm cutting the front and the back together at the same time. So next thing I'm going to get is my starting line, which is 1/2 inch. So I'll just draw a straight line like this. Next is to get my neckline. I'm doing 2.5. Then for the back, I'll be coming down by 1 inch. For the front, I'll be coming down same 2.5. And I'm going to connect all those points like this. So this is the back and this is the front. Next is to get my shoulder divided by 2. Then I'll be coming down by 1 inch for shoulder slope. Connect it to the neckline like this. Next thing I'm going to get is my armhole. So the armhole divided by 2, that is here. Then I'm going to connect it like this. So next is to get our chest measurement. My chest divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. You can see the gown is a free gown, so I don't want it tight on her. So next is to get the full length. So from the full length, I'll be coming up by 7 inches. So that 7 inches will be for the printing effect. So that will be for my full length, which is 23. So from there, I'll be measuring my waist measurement plus 2 inches allowance because I want it to be free, and also it's a kind of an A-line effect. So from there, I'm going to connect it to the chest measurement like this. So that is it for the upper part. I'm just going to cut it out now. So I'm going to take out the back just to cut out the front. So that is all for the front and for the back panel. So next thing I'm going to cut out is the printing ruffle. So here I'm having 8 inches. Remember we went up by 7, so I add extra 1 inch. I'll be folding with down and up. So I'm just going to cut it out like this. And also I folded by 2 inches, so I'm going to open the down part. So I'll be having 2 now, which will be for the front and back. You can see I have 2, 1 and 2. So 1 for the front, 1 for the back. And for the length, I have about 60 or 61 inches. You can see I have like 61 inches. So this is it for the printing effect. Next is to cut out the sleeve. Then for my sleeve, I didn't use the armhole, normal armhole measurements, because they have like a printing effect at the shoulder part. So I have like excess more than the actual measurement for the armhole. So I'm going to cut it out now. So guys, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. And up to here, if you haven't subscribed, kindly give us a follow, and also don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much. So for the length, I have 8.5 inches, which is perfectly okay for me. So this is the body, this is the printing effect, this sleeve and the bow that is going to be attached to it. So that is basically all for the cutting. Let's move to the sewing part. So here I've went ahead to join the front and back together, right side facing each other. So I'm going to go to my sewing machine and sew or weave the shoulder and also attach the sleeve. I'll do that and I'll come back and show you. So here I'm done attaching the sleeve and also joining the shoulder, the 2 shoulders together. So next thing I'm going to do is to go to my sewing machine and I'm going to weave or sew, depending on the one you are doing, on the both sides by 1/2 inch. So I'll do that and I'll come back and show you. So here I didn't close this place up because I'm still going to fold 1/2 inch. So I didn't close this place up, but I went ahead to join the other places, which is the side. So next thing is to attach the printing effect. So you can see at the picture, it has like a bold printing, not a little printing. So I'll go to my sewing machine while printing. I'll be sewing while printing as well, so it will save me time and energy. So this is how I'm going to print it on my sewing machine all the way to the other side, and I'll do that. I'll come back and show you. So here I'm done printing it. As you can see how full and how nice it is. So I'm going to flip it to the front for you to see the finished look of the printing. You can see how it is very clean and full. So next is to join the half an inch at the sleeve part, and also here I've weaved, then I'm going to fold in by half an inch as well. Then for the neck, I'm going to attach the neck. It has like a t-shirt neck. So here I am done doing all those stuff that I mentioned. The half inch, I've added the half inch at the down part and also at the sleeve as well, and also the neck as well. So you can see how it's looking already, clean and neat. There's no light now, so that's why I'm able to iron it. You can see also the neck. So guys, this is everything. You can see how neat it's looking. I am done with everything. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly give us a follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.